And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released the first installment of Mantri Awas Yojana-Gramin under the Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Abhiyan to 1 lakh beneficiaries through video conferencing. The scheme is aimed at improving the socio-economic conditions of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups by saturating PVTG households and habitations with basic facilities including safe housing, clean drinking water, improved access to education, health and nutrition, electricity, road and telecom connectivity and sustainable livelihood opportunities. Prime Minister also interacted with the beneficiaries on the occasion. The PM Janman was launched for the socio-economic welfare of PVTGS in November last year. The PM Janman, with a budget of around 24,000 crore rupees, focuses on 11 critical interventions through 9 ministers.
पढ़ाई के लिए पहले जो छात्रवृत्ति मिलती थी, अब उसका कुल बजट भी 2.5 गुना से ज्यादा कर दिया है। 10 साल पहले तक हमारे देश में आदिवासी बच्चों के लिए केवल 90 एकलव्य मॉडल स्कूल थे, जबकि हमने बीते 10 साल में 500 से ज्यादा नए एकलव्य मॉडल स्कूल बनाने का काम शुरू किया है।
President Draupadi Murmu